Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to boot people offline on the PlayStation, guys. So this is fully working. It's actually for all devices. PlayStation is going to be the one today, but this does work for Xbox, I think, but it's mainly aimed at PlayStation. So as you can see, we can boot people offline. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the app to get this. It's called a PS Booter. So go to tweakmod.com. And I would just go to the search bar and type in PS Booter, and there it is. Press install, and it's going to start downloading. So we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. Fully works. So yeah, you just gotta wait for it to download. So yeah, let's just give it a second. So yeah, before it downloads, you may see something come up that tells you got to download some missing files. So this is totally normal, guys. They're from the App Store, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So yeah, we'll just give it a second. So yeah, let's just see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files need to be installed. So there's all these apps here. You got to download 2 of them. So this one, Travel Town, says reach level 10. That one was pretty easy for me. So just press continue. It brings you to the Play Store. I'm using an Android, so if you're on an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store. Just download 2 of them, you're done. So I'll see you later. But yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these, and then the app will download. Make sure you read what it says. So install and reach level 9, install and reach level 10, whatever, guys. I don't really care what you do. Just make sure you do 2 of them, and then the PS Booter will be installed. You can actually boot people offline, guys. So crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is a fully working method. I don't have any jailbreaking concerns or rooting devices. You don't gotta do none of that. So this is super cool. So I'll see you guys later. Be sure to go and subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys. This is so awesome, bro.